welcome back to our Life Funny Pets channel. Let's go!
They think that the whales are that they're actually not.
He licked his head. Tell him who's boss.
I'm the boss.
You see the nose right there? Whoa! Jeez.
I told you.
Honey, give it to him.
Hold it, sip it.
Reed, stop. There he goes. Oh, one more time.
There you go.
5% of the population has the balls to feed ostriches out of their hand. Ow! Ah! Oh! He spit in my face! Ah! When I take my cat to the beach. Tom, stand up. Do you see it? It's so cute.
It's kind of creepy. And it's just like.
That's crazy. Oh!
No, I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. So don't, no.
What? Oh, in the universe! Hey, give it to the pumpkin. Yep. Jesse's videoing it. You like me?
He's like, I gotta stand up to kiss this one.
He's fat. Sorry.
Gosh.
Good
Oh my gosh.
I got a monkey.
Would you stop? Like... oh my god. Oh god, he's gross. No, don't take the bucket.
Look.
No.
Oh no!
Don't not in his face. Be nice.
That goat.
Oh, was that the goat or one of you guys?
Excuse you, goat. Excuse you, goat. What did the turkey say when he crossed the road? Dance. Dance. It's fun.
Mom, Patty, Brittany, turn around real quick. Mom, turn around, quick. Oh, there's no more in there. That's fine.
Don't put it again.
Ahora te acercas.
Puta, me mordió Leo durísimo.
Don't you dare, Robin. Ah, no, get away. Get away, Robin. You let him gang up on me. That's unfair.
Okay, keep going, keep going. Here, swallow my hand.
Yeah, it doesn't care about it anymore. Yeah, he does. Just keep moving it around.
You might pick the lice out of your head.
Too funny.
I have like crumbs. It bit my shoulder. Oh my gosh.
For the most part, the Asia rainforest.
You know what? You Oh, you guys got it on at the same time. Oh, he says he needs a little bit more. I guess that's good. Don't get too close.
No.
Yeah. We're talking. I'm right here.
The whole thing? Oh. No way. Oh my God! Yeah, that's a good one. Talia, take a picture.
Back up. Oh, no.
Can you take a picture? Can you take a picture?